If you've lost access to your Chase bank account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account number, social security number, and any identification documents. This will help verify your identity during the recovery process. Step 2. Visit the Chase Bank website. Go to the official Chase Bank website. Look for the sign-in option and click on Forgot Username or Password. This will guide you to the account recovery section. Step 3. Follow the recovery prompts. Enter the required information as prompted, such as your email address or phone number linked to the account. Follow the instructions provided to receive a verification code or link to reset your password. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you are unable to recover your account online, call Chase Bank's customer service at their official number. Be prepared to provide your personal information for verification. Step 5. Visit a local branch. If online recovery and customer service do not work, visit a nearby Chase Bank branch. Bring your identification and any relevant documents to speak with a representative who can assist you in regaining access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your Chase Bank account efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.